Welcome to Tammy's Maths. It is 10th standard, exercise 9.1 for problem 12. Whenever I do this 9.1, I always tell you all it's a very big story, big story. But moral of the story is just a line. And after working this or working makes it extremely simple. The moral is the simplicity of the question. Before we go to discuss this, what is angle of elevation and what is angle of depression? We have already seen it, but let us discuss one more time. Suppose this is the horizontal, ground level, horizontal level. I look up. This is the direction in which I look up. This will be angle of elevation. This is horizontal. I look down. This is a line where I look down. This will be the angle of depression. In real life, you say, no, I'm elevated. I'm depressed. I feel low. I'm depressed. Same sense here. I look up. It is elevated. It's angle of elevation. I look down. That will be angle of depression. Now here we come for this. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. I have a building. This is 7 meters. And there is a cable tower. There is a cable tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower from the top of this building. From here you stand and you look. When you stand here, this is your normal vision. So this is your normal vision, that is horizontal, and this is your line of seeing up. So this will be angle of elevation. Next, you stand here and you look at the foot, the angle of depression. This is your normal side from B and you are looking down, so this will be 45. You have to find CD. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. That is, I have to find CD. This is 45. So this will be 45 because these two are parallel and this will be the transversal. These two angles will be equal. Or even otherwise, you don't want that, this will be 90. This is 45. So this will be 45. When this is 45, this is 90. So angle of a triangle put together is 180. So this will be 45. So this is an isosceles triangle. This is 7. The sides of the isosceles triangle will be equal, opposite to the equal angles. So this also will be 7. Now this and this will be equal, so this will be 7. This also will be 7. So actually it forms a square. Now consider the triangle DEB. I can call this as X. In triangle DEB, tan 60 is x by 7. Tan 60 is root 3 is x by 7. So x will be 7 root 3. X is 7 root 3. So now this is 7. You want this to be the height of the tower. So height of the tower, just one more minute and I think we will get the answer. So height of the tower is x plus 7. But what is x? 7 root 3 plus 7. Take 7 outside. root 3 plus 1. Just I'll go through it fast. This is the building and this is the cable tower. From the top of the building you stand and you see the top of the cable tower at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees, and you see the foot of the cable tower at an angle of depression of 45 degrees. This is 45, this is 60, which implies this will be 45 and this also will be 45 because all the angles put together should be 180, and this is 7, therefore this will be 7, this will be 7, this will be 7. So consider triangle DEB. Tan 60 is x by 7, which will give you x is equal to 7 root 3. So the height of the cable tower will be x plus 7, that is 7 root 3 plus 7. That will be the answer. Very simple, very easy. Moral of the story is just one line. I hope you like it and you will practice this before we could meet in the next video.